still in what do you call it, linear. Heading back home. I got a question for all you Goldwing guys, motorcycle guys, or whatever. Do you use any kind of like fuel injector cleaner, spark plug cleaner? You know, I been using Seafoam for years. I've been using it at all my cars, and I actually use it in the Goldwing as well. But I don't put a whole bunch in. I think you can use a whole container for, like, you know, 22 gallons of gas or whatever. So I might use 4 to 6 ounces in a 6.6 gallon tank. Oh, I got itch. But I don't use it a lot. I use it like, oh, I don't know how often I use it, but I'm maybe every, gosh, a couple thousand miles, a few thousand miles, I might run some through it. I don't know, but I think it's probably a good thing to keep your injectors clean. And even, you know how your combustion engine, you get carbon buildup on the spark plugs, the top of the pistons, and, you know, the valves and everything. So I think the Seafoam actually cleans that off. I've watched some videos of a guy running old lawnmowers. You know, they do it with they don't put it in the tank, they just pour it in, and it just disintegrates all the carbon on top of the pistons and everything, which is really cool. So I just use a little bit in my gas tank to kind of keep the injectors clean and keep the carbon buildup. I've been doing it for years, and I'm at, gosh, I'm pushing 60,000 miles already. Amazing. But I've been doing it for a long time, and I change my oil every 4,000 miles. I don't have to. I know people say you don't need to, but I still use that synthetic oil, the Rotella T6. That's wet clutch friendly, and I've been using that, oh gosh, forever. I tried Mobile One before, and I just like the thinner oil. It just seems to run a little smoother and get a little bit better mileage. So I've been using that forever, but I want this thing to last me a couple more years, and 150,000 miles. So I change my oil religiously, and the filter, of course, and I grease the U-joints front and back. So I kind of maintain the bike a lot myself. Calipers, brake pads. Haven't had to do any in the back yet. Those are huge rotors back there, the car rotors, so haven't had to do that. But anyway, what do you use? Do you use anything for fuel injector cleaners or anything like that? Bah.